So people often say to me, having an allotment's a lot of work, or how much work does it take to run an allotment? And I've been thinking about it over the years. It's not really that much work. I often think about it pretty much as it's a bit like having a demanding dog. A dog that likes to go out for 2, maybe 3 walks a day. So maybe that's an hour and a half a day, something like that. Occasionally it gets sick, it needs a bit more care, needs a bit more money. My daughter's dogs are always eating things that they shouldn't do and having to go and have their stomachs pumped and things like that, so occasionally you've got to spend £1,000 on a polytunnel, just like occasionally you've got to spend £1,000 on vet bills or something like that. So it's pretty similar, I think, in terms of time commitment and cost commitment to a dog. And of course, just like a dog, they both give you an enormous amount of reward back, So anybody who's had a dog or been around dogs knows just how much love and happiness and everything that they can give you. And an allotment can do the same. It's you sort of grow with it, you grow into it, intertwined with it, and you learn to love it. It doesn't love you back, but it gives you plenty of food and joy and contentment and satisfaction. So I think if you're thinking about an allotment and you've got a dog, it's going to be like getting a dog for the first time. If you haven't got a dog, talk to your neighbour or friends or whatever who have got a dog and ask them, how much time commitment and sort of expense and hassle and joy having a dog is. It's going to be a bit like that.